I'm extremely excited about my next guest. She has an amazing career. In 1977, she became the third person ever to be crowned an EGOT. That means she has an Emmy. Actually, she has two of those, a Grammy, an Oscar, and a Tony. I have a wild girl crush on her, always have. Please welcome the legendary, the one and only, Rita Moreno!
Hey, listen, I saw this in your magazine in my dressing room.
Yeah?
What a great recipe.
Well, you could take the whole magazine, Rita, you know.
Yeah, well...
you didn't have to rip it out.
It's my poor background.
It's not the doctor's
Celery
office.
soda with lime juice and club soda. It's fabulous.
So, you know, I love to read. And I'm a big fan of both thrillers and biographies. And I was reading an article in Vanity Fair, and I think the title of the Vanity Fair piece was how she used Elvis to make Marlon Brando jealous. And I'm like, I want this woman's life so bad.
It's true.
I know.
I mean, that's some I was going to make him jealous because I saw some ladies' clothing in his house. Mm-hmm. And then Colonel Parker called me up and said, hello, this is Colonel Parker. He said, I handle Elvis Presley's career. And I said, I know. He said, Elvis saw you at the 20th Century Fox commissary, and he liked what he saw.
I got chills just daydreaming about her life. It's amazing. I just want to be her friend. All right. Wow. So we're going to talk about One Day at a Time, Norman Lear, and all that. But what I really want to know, or what you should share with everyone, is best kisser, and I want professionally and personally.
One person. You want to guess?
No, I want you to tell me. Because I want pretty much your whole list.
Okay. Okay, say please.
Please, pretty please. I could bribe you with food and liquor.
I know, you're a tough one. Marlon Brando, hands down.
Oh, I knew it. That mouth, right? I know.
Those lips.
Those big, beautiful lips.
Those lips.
Oh, I can't even watch on the waterfront.
Actually, Elvis was not a bad kisser either, but Marlon's tops.
Yeah, and he's, My husband has very nice lips if he's watching. I love you, John.